Chapter 9, India Social Life, Part 2. Social life of the people of northern India. Okay, excuse me for this. The staple food of people of northern India is wheat based. They also consume pulses, vegetables, fruits, clarified butter, milk, and buttermilk. Lassi, sweetened butter of Punjab, is delight to the taste bud. Now, in the same way, the people who are based in northern India, they eat wheat a lot, wheat, pulses, vegetable, fruit. And if we go to Punjab, the parathas and the ghee, lassi, butter, all these things are very important food of the people who live in northern India. And Punjab is known for the land of five rivers. People are sturdy and hardworking. Men and boys wear loose pant or slacks with a collared shirt or a t-shirt. Some males also wear kurta, pajama, jacket, especially the Punjabi farmers. Many Punjabis, mainly Sikh, wear the turbans on their head. Women wear salwar kameez with a bright colored dupatta. So Punjab is a land of five rivers. People are very hard working in this area because they are mainly into the occupation of agriculture. Okay, and they are very sturdy, tall and huge in nature. Men and boys, they wear a loose pant or a slack with a collared t-shirt or a shirt. And as a farm, there are farmers, and the men who also wear kurta, pajama, and jacket. And Punjabi farmers, they also wear dhoti and turban on their head. And women wear salwar kameez with a bright colored dupatta, which is also known as the fulkari dupattas. Jammu and Kashmir is famous for this natural beauty since the time memorial has been aptly described as heaven on earth. Now, Jammu and Kashmir is very, very famous for its natural beauty, for the scenes and the scenic beauty. That means the scenes which can be seen over there are very heavenly on earth. The costume of Jammu and Kashmir are well known for the embroidery and intricate designs. So they have a woolen carving or a woolen stitching and woolen thread work, not carving. Carving is on stone or on either on the stone or on the wood, not carving. I used the wrong word. The form of clothing is designed to counter the cold climate of the region. Now they have a woolen embroidery on their clothes. Why? Because it's very cold over there. So on woolen, they wear a lot of warm clothes to keep themselves safe from the cold climate. And the traditional firan is the most popular form of dress among both men and women. It's a long kurta type which is very loose in nature, and both men and women both wear it. Okay, they also wear a Mughal type turban or headgear, the colored scarf worn by the women on their head. Variation is seen in their outfits due to the modernization. Now there is lot of change that has been taking place in the day to day life, but the traditional dress is like that. See over here we can see both Kashmiri couple wearing the traditional dress, then this lady sitting in the center, Kashmiri lady dressed up, then the Gadwal couple. Most of now moving ahead to their how they live, and then the type of their houses. Most of the houses in India, northern India, have terraced and are made up of bricks, wood, stones, and mud. The Dal Lake in Jammu and Kashmir is well known for its famed houseboats known as shikaras. So on the lake, if we see, people live in the boat which is known as a shikara. And they otherwise they have their normal houses, but they see to it that they have terrace to their house. Hindi is widely spoken in the northern India, but besides Hindi, Punjabi, Sindhi, and Kashmiri language are also spoken. Local dialects such as Bhojpuri, Bihari are also spoken in Uttar Pradesh. Festivals and fairs in northern India is celebrated with a great fervor. There are many famous festivals in India. They are celebrated by the people. The Baisakhi festival of Punjab is celebrated with a great pomp by all. Bhangra, the folk dance of Punjab, is lively and liked by all. The folk song of Kashmiri, devotional song of Uttar Pradesh and Punjab are very well known. So when it comes to the festivals and the fairs, they say Baisakhi is the famous festival, Bhangra is a famous folk song which has been liked by everyone. Folk dance, and the folk songs of Kashmir and the devotional songs of Uttar Pradesh and Punjab are very well known. The nature of people of northern India, however, differs. While the Punjabis are lively and cheerful, the Kashmiris are quiet and pious. Now, they say that the nature of the people differ from region to region, but Punjabis are loud in their nature. They are very lively in their nature. They are very cheerful in their nature. They are very happy-go-lucky people. And Kashmiri are very quiet, very poised. Poised means शांत होते हैं, बहुत रिफ्लेक्टिव होते हैं. Okay, so they are very calm people, Kashmiri. Jammu and Kashmir is known as the paradise on the earth for its amazing landscape and scenic beauty. The area is among the world's most beautiful places, with beautiful snow-covered mountains, green valleys and natural lakes. Jammu and Kashmir is bestowed with the breathtaking natural beauty that can mesmerize anyone. One can see countless gardens with terrace lawns, cascading fountains, paint box, bright flower beads with a rare flower in the state. So the beauty of Jammu and Kashmir is breathtaking. मतलब सांसें रुक जाती है, इतना सुंदर जगह है वो. And it has been it do have the beautiful places, snow covered mountains, flowers of different varieties, then gardens and lawns, fountains, and this entire state is like heaven on the earth. Now they earn their livelihood with the handicraft in the traditional state industry of the state, and has been of the crucial importance. Some of the items of industries are paper mac, wood carving, carpet, shawl making, embroidery. Saffron is predominantly cultivated here. Saffron means केसर. केसर यहाँ उगाई जाती है. पेपर मैक मतलब क्या, पेपर को गीला करके and then they give shapes of different types of animals or flowers or mask, something like that. Wood carving, shawl making, embroidery is the typical traditional industry that exist over here. Okay, see over here we can see the carpet of Kashmir, embroidery of Kashmir. Agriculture and agricultural related activities is the principal occupation of most of the people of North India. Apart from agriculture, people engage in cottage and small industry too. So agriculture is the main and the principal occupation of people in the northern India, though there are industries also, but agriculture is the main industry where people are engaged, and they are also engaged in the cottage and the small industry too.